Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love, especially plant-based Mexican food. Today, I want to share with you a very special recipe, that of chocolate, Mexico's hot chocolate drink. The ingredients are 2 ounces of Mexican hot chocolate, 2 ounces of water, and 8 ounces of homemade oat milk. The video recipe is in the description. It is believed that chocolate was Mexico's first export into the world. And there's no doubt that this is such a beautiful and magical ingredient of our history. If you're looking for more information on that, I do have several videos talking about how to work with the cacao fruit from the very beginning all the way to how to make chocolate. So make sure to check out those videos in the description. It is important to note that for the majority of history in Mexico, chocolate has been consumed as a drink, and not the candy that most of us might know. Traditionally, this drink is mostly consumed with water. It wasn't until about the 1700s where milk was introduced, and it's probably how you'll find this recipe in most modern settings, such as in large cities. But in traditional, more rural areas, you will find this mostly made with water. When the chocolate has dissolved, add your oat milk. Warm the oat milk, but don't let it come to a boil, then turn off your heat. Obviously, this is a plant-based channel, so I am recommending that you use oat milk to make this recipe. In my experience, oat milk is the one that will combine the most beautifully and still give you a traditional flavor. When choosing a chocolate for this recipe, there are a couple of things to look out for. The first one, make sure that the chocolate is actually produced in Mexico. That way you will get the most traditional flavor for the recipe. Then look for the ingredients. There should only be a couple of things in it: cacao, cinnamon, almonds, and a little bit of cane sugar. So there you have it, chocolate. One of Mexico's oldest and most special drinks. Let me know down in the comments, do you prefer chocolate with water or with milk? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the future recipes or any of the cooking live streams that we do here. Buen provecho!